This is just a really quick video of me unboxing some acrylic rhinestones.
Hey YouTube! So this is just going to be a really quick video of me unboxing some inventory that I recently received. I'm trying out some different products here, and I just wanted to get some things, some different type of rhinestones. You know, I love all type of rhinestones, so I'm using some bigger rhinestones, and I want to keep in mind that since I've been catering to these CROCs lately, just different type of rhinestones to use on the CROCs. Anyway, let me just go ahead and jump right into it. The box came kind of destroyed. I don't know what happened. I guess it was tossed around quite a bit. So I just kind of opened it on up, but it was like some thin tape, and it was like, it was just a mess. So just to get started, I ordered some spikes because these can be used in multiple ways. They're really pretty, and you can make croc charms out of them, but I ordered the wrong size. I meant to order 10mm cone spike studs, but I have 8mm. It's fine because you can still just glue these on to whatever it is you want to use them on. And I have some really cool ideas. I'll be making some videos pretty soon with this to show you the different things that you can do with these. The gold is like really pretty. So I have a few bags of these. Then I have the silver spikes as well, and I think these are 8mm. So these are really cool. Now these rhinestones are actually, this is my first time ordering acrylic rhinestones. So these are rather large. And when I first saw them, I was like, oh wow, okay. I wasn't really all that impressed. Let me tell you why. For some reason, their packaging is a little on the cloudy side. Like, this package does this no justice. Let me just go ahead and open one up so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut open. And this is a bag of there's 200 pieces in here, so you don't get like a whole lot because they're huge. These are 17 by 28. I think most of these are 17 by 28, like a teardrop style. I'm just gonna pour some of these in this little cup here. I store some rhinestones and pearls in these type of cups. These can be purchased on Amazon. These are actually like deli soup cups or something, spill-proof cups. Do you see how sparkly and pretty these are compared to how it looks in this bag? Just to give you a closer look, these have some really pretty sparkle on them. Now, when you use E6000 with these type of acrylic rhinestones, they do tend to have like a cracked look. Like a, it just makes it look cracked. I can't explain it, but if you ever use these and glue them on with a strong adhesive, it just gives that type of effect. So I don't think I'll be sewing these on. I may, but I plan on using glue. The cracked effect doesn't look horrible, but I'm just letting you know that these are sew on. That's particularly what they're for. And they do have little small holes in them, so you can sew them on, but they are very, very pretty. So I'm excited about these. So I have these in quite a few different colors, some AB colors. And I have them in clear. And they're 17 by 28. Really, really pretty colors. Oh, I forgot I had these open. Okay, so now these are acrylic rhinestones. These aren't sew on. And these are 8 by 18 millimeter. They're not flat back. They have like a little bit of a rise on the back of them, but these can be glued down as well. And they're just really pretty. I just wanted to try something different. Very, very pretty. So I'm going to be testing these out and using these on some different products, some different projects. Just want to show you a better view. So these larger stones are very pretty. These are like a purple AB color, very pretty. I have these are very pretty as well. I think these are actually resin, if I'm not mistaken. A couple bags here are resin, but most of these acrylic. Very pretty. These are very, very pretty. And then I can show you how to make CROC charms with these too. Now these are flat back. Just wanted to try something different because I really, really do like the look of these. I ordered these as well. Not really sure how I feel about these. I'll give them a try, but I ordered them in a bigger size. They look much pretty in a bigger size. Way better in a bigger size. They sent me this smaller size, so I have to talk to them about that. This color is very pretty. They didn't label the bags to tell me exactly which color, so I'll have to go back and look at my order invoice to kind of see. But I just wanted to just show you guys some of the new inventory that I have and what I'll be using in my upcoming videos. Oh, these are very pretty. These are very, very, very pretty. Look at that. And then they're huge. Look how huge they are. And then I also have a size 10 by 14 of the acrylic stones. It's gonna be interesting to see how I can maneuver with these because they're not flat on the back. Some of them are flat, some of these are not flat. These are 13 by 8, 10 by 14. So I just want to try some different sizes. And if you guys are interested in buying wholesale, buying in bulk, you want to know where I got these rhinestones from, you want to know who my vendors are, I do finally have my vendors list together. I will have a link where you can purchase the vendors list with the information that you're looking for. It'll be on the vendors list. And if you look in the link, if you look at the link to my bio, you will find the information there. And there's also even a discount coupon code I have. Take advantage of that before I disable that. It's 15% off. So if you do want to buy my vendors list to either where I get my CROC charms from, the designer CROC charms, or if you need a vendors list to purchase rhinestones in bulk, either to resell or even if you just want to buy the rhinestones to stock up on your own purposes, if you just do a lot of blinging and that's a part of your business, that would be great as well too. This is such a pretty color. Oh, I love this. Wow, it's like a orange and a pink. Ooh. Yes, I'm really excited about these. And this pink AB is really pretty as well also. I know I had a request to, someone wanted to see me make a chunky wine or liquor bottle using like some chunkier stones. So we'll see how that goes using some of these. I can't find my lids. I'll find my lids later, but I just wanted to show you some of these colors and how pretty they are. Very pretty. Oh, this color. I think this color is called Aquamarine. I definitely have to stock up on my cups or jars so I can go ahead and get these put away and organized. I will be doing another unboxing video soon. I have another big box of rhinestones that I just haven't had a chance to open up and go through. So I just want to check in with you guys. I will have links available to where you can buy my vendors list, like I said, and also if you want to purchase them, I'll have these up and ready on my eBay. I no longer sell on Etsy. I'll make a video about that as well eventually, but I don't have an Etsy shop. I'll just be putting these things away until I can really fully sort through them. Also, when you buy in bulk, make sure that you count everything and make sure everything is there. Make sure the sizing is correct. Sometimes they make mistakes. They have these warehouses with all these workers. Some warehouses are bigger than others. So you just want to make sure that everything is right in your order. I just told them right away that my box was destroyed. You know, just in case something was missing or damaged, they were understanding. They just said they'll make sure they pack it with more packing tape next time. So I can go ahead. And get rid of this unboxing video. Again, I'll be following that with another unboxing video of actual smaller rhinestones, the resin rhinestones, and the the jelly rhinestones as well. Just again, like I said, just wanted to show you some of the, new rhinestones that I have. And then I'll be working with some larger sizes, just to have some different, just to see how I can work with the different sizes with different projects. And these are the few that I did open up. They're very pretty, very shiny. Acrylic rhinestones. Remember, these are acrylic rhinestones.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my time and put these away. But a really quick tip here. A great thing to do when you're placing a big order is to have the suppliers take a photo of all of your items that they're sending you. You always can't see exactly what's in the picture, but it does help to try to cut down anything being left out, or it just makes them extra make sure everything is there. Everything was there except for one bag, and I think that's because the bag arrived, the box arrived damaged. I did let my vendor know. They were very understanding about it. And I told them it looked like the box was completely cut open with a thin piece of tape to close it back. After further research, they did let me know that customs cut the box open and they have the right to do so. But when they closed it back, they did a poor job of it, and that they will be sending me the one bag that I am missing when I place my next order. So just have open communication with your vendor. They're usually pretty good and understanding. So that's just a quick tip. Again, this vendors list is available at myroyalradiance.com. So go ahead and order that so you can have the information that you may need to order your rhinestones. And pretty soon I will be putting together a very small sample kit to send out, just so you can also see the type of rhinestones or pearls or whatever the sample will have, what you're getting. Thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.